Are you torn between Pictory AI and AI in video? Let me break down the 8 reasons why I choose Pictory AI over AI in video. 1. Pictory AI offers a more user-friendly interface, making it easier for beginners to navigate and create stunning videos. 2. Pictory AI provides a wider range of customization options, allowing you to tailor your videos to your specific needs and brand identity. 3. Pictory AI's video templates are more diverse and trendy, keeping your content fresh and appealing to your target audience. 4. Pictory AI's pricing plans are more flexible, offering a variety of options to suit different budgets and business sizes. Five, Pictory AI seamlessly integrates with various social media platforms, allowing you to effortlessly share your videos and reach a wider audience. 6. In terms of AI capabilities, Pictory AI uses advanced algorithms to provide more accurate and hyper-realistic AI voiceovers with 1111 Labs, enhancing the overall quality of your videos. 7. Another key advantage of Pictory AI is its extensive library of stock footage and images, additional 10 million stock clips of Getty images, saving you time and effort in sourcing visual content for your videos. 8. Pictory AI's intuitive editing features make it simple to trim, crop, and add effects to your videos, giving you more creative control and professional-looking results. Whereas AI in video has too many limitations, the words scene transitions and voiceover doesn't sync well with the AI-generated scenes. Coming from a video editing background, the inflexibility to edit annoyed me, and it makes me look like I just throw everything together. So, if you're looking for a superior video creation tool, Pictory AI is the clear winner. Use my promo code TRAVELA1 to enjoy 20% off. Thanks for watching.